Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers. So these are my knotless braids that I will be taking out very soon, and I wanted to show you 8 hairstyles that you can wear with your knotless braids and some of these hairstyles I have worn with mine. So for look 1, it's with my hair down, and this is a classic for me. If you watch my videos, I just like to wear the right half to the side. And I just like the way this looks on me, and I always do a side part on the left side. I prefer a side part over a middle part. For look number 2, I will be moving all of my hair to one side. I think this is very nice for pictures. It's very classy, very chic, and it just emphasizes your face and your neck, and it looks great. Alright, for look number 3, I will be doing a half up, half down look. And I'm just keeping the side part because that's where I like it, and that's what my hair is used to as well. And you just want to make sure that everything is laid flat, especially as your braids are getting older. And right here I'm just grabbing a hair tie, and I'm going to secure it. And because my braids are so thick and I have a lot of hair, my natural hair is thick, I only need to put it on one time to secure it. And that's look number 3. For look number 4, I am going to take 2 braids out of the front. This is a very cute, chill look, and it just switches up the look. It just makes it look different. We're doing something so simple and so easy. And it also emphasizes and frames the face. Very cute. And for look number 5, I will be showing you how I do my low ponytail. This is a very cute and easy look for when I work out or just want to keep my hair out of my face. And because I have a lot of braids and they're very thick, I will be using a larger ponytail holder, and I will be wrapping it around my hair twice in order to secure my braids. As you can see, it lays so nicely, very cute, very chic, very easy to maintain. For look number 6, I will be doing more of a middle ponytail. I couldn't really get it in a really high ponytail because it is so much hair and it would have been so heavy. So this is more like a middle cheerleader style type ponytail, and it just sways so nicely back and forth. And that was look 6. For look number 7, I will be showing you a half up, half down again, but this time I will be doing a top knot bun. And these can take practice, so if you don't get it the first time, just keep on practicing until you can get it, and use different hair bands or hair ties as well as bobby pins to help you secure, and you'll be able to see the whole top bun right here. Very cute. And for look number 8, I'll be bringing my hair back down and showing you an option that will add a pop of color to your hair. this cute headband right here, or bandana band. I can find mine at Target, Walmart. I even found some cute ones from the Dollar Tree. And when you put it on, you just want to make sure it's not bothering your ears and that it's laying nicely and that you like where your hair is laying as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 8 hairstyles and that you're having a great day. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.